Hey guys to dealers, learn how to fix Instagram not updating problem on iPhone. So in the case that your Instagram applications is not necessarily updating it to do latest subversion, whenever you do so, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the App Store, and I want you to search for the Instagram application. Now once you've already searched for it, now go ahead and tap on Instagram and basically make sure that you do have the update button available right here. If you do have some issues with updating the application with, let's say that the update button is not showing, or whenever you do try to update, it just crashes and doesn't let you update. What we could do to fix that issue is to go ahead and double check our internet connections with our Wi-Fi and see if we are connected with a stable internet connection. Now once that is already done, we could also try our cell data instead of error Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Once that is already done, one more quick thing that we could also do to fix this issue is to do a quick restart of our device. So tap on your assistive touches, tap on your device, tap on more, and let's tap on restart, and tap on restart again to successfully restart our device. That should solve your issue. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.